Okay, so I'm going to carry on. I'm going to start the conversation from this point. So remember in the last video we had promising conversation with Tara about our workout glove. I think this is going to be our winning supplier for this product because she was very, first of all, very responsive to everything I asked for. She could match exactly what I wanted as far as product was concerned, and they seemed like they were on the ball. And I did a little background research on the factory itself, and they seem like a very, very legit operation, manufacturer. So I decided to get Tara's Skype information, and I'm going to show you the real live conversations that took place in terms of negotiating. So Tara asked, "Do you want to sell this on Amazon?" I said, "Arranging for a sample would be smart. Yes, we'll sell them on Amazon. Just so you have an idea, we plan on starting with an MOQ, minimum order quantity, 5,000 pieces. Around what price would you quote us for if the sample is of desired quality and style?" Okay, wow, that's good to know. We can send you a sample first. If you are satisfied, I can ask my manager to give you best price. Is that okay? Do you need a logo? Okay, that's fine. Yes, we have a logo. We don't need it for the sample though. And the reason I say we don't need it for the sample is because that just lengthens out the process. If the sample is a winner, then we can just put the logo on for the bulk order, and that's cool. But the reason I rarely have the logo on the sample is just simply because that's going to add like another 4 to 5 days potentially to the shipping time of the sample. So I'm impatient. I like to get things moving as fast as possible, so I usually forego the logo. Sample charge is $40, including the shipping by FedEx. Okay, cool. Can you draft up an invoice in PayPal? Yeah, PayPal's okay, great. So she gave me an invoice for PayPal for $40. I paid it, and I'm just confirming with her, because at this point I was like, it kind of dawned on me, right? I've never sold a product that has different sizes, and I'm like, well, what size are you going to actually send me? Because I know there's like small, medium, large, so I was like, question, how exactly do the sizes work? Will you just be sending me one size? We only have one size right now. For your quantity, we can make the custom size. How many custom sizes can you make? How many do you need? I said small, medium, large should be fine. Okay, I gave her a receipt of my PayPal payment. Here we go, and thank you for the payment. There's the tracking number, and here we go. All right. So I'm getting to some more validation and clarity on the sizing, how it actually works. You know, how many inches, for what size hand does a small correlate to, medium, large, etc.? Like how does it work? Because I don't know. And I asked, are the sizes unisex or are they meant for women only? They are unisex. Okay, so we know that. All right, now I've approved the sample. The sample's really nice. So I'm like, Tara, remember about that 5,000 MOQ quote? Can you please get back to me with that quote for 5,000 pieces like before? And then she asked me if I can provide her my logo. I said, okay. And I also provided her with a custom card to go inside the packaging. So here we go. The unit price is $3.57 per pair of gloves, right? FOB, that means free on board. That means the supplier is responsible for the transportation of the product from their warehouse to the Chinese shipping port, and also the when it lands in the USA. There's FOB and EXW. I might make a separate video on that, but honestly, just Google it. What's the difference between FOB and EXW? Because those are the two different shipping terms that you will be seeing a lot. And that price includes one pair of gloves with our custom logo, with our custom thank you card, and with our packaging. So that's an incredibly good bargain. I'm happy with this, really happy. And just one thing I forgot to mention. Are you experienced with labeling and shipping into Amazon? Of course we are. Okay, great. Again, I'm just confirming, because remember, each and every one of our products needs its own individual SKU label that we print from within Amazon, and then we will send off to Tara via PDF, either in Skype or by email, and then they will then print out and stick on each label on each of the products. That's what FBA requires. All right, so I'm giving her the artwork for, actually no, this is a PI, this is a pro forma invoice, just a fancy way of saying, an invoice for the order. All right, so this is where I want you to pay attention. Thanks so much, Tara. I'll get the artwork from our designer over to you ASAP. After deep discussion with my colleagues, we decided we want to start with a smaller MOQ of 600 units to test for quality and customer demand. Once we prove the product in the marketplace, we'll then proceed to order a much larger quantity. So that being said, could you please quote us a new PI for 600 units? Hi Peter, I'm sorry, our MOQ for this glove is 1,000, our minimum MOQ. Kindly please order at least 1,000. Hi Tara, 1,000 pairs shouldn't be a problem. Again, not many suppliers will have such a large MOQ. Normally, from my experience, you can order 200, 300 units without any problem. But this supplier requires 1,000 at least. And I'm okay with it because, number one, the prices are extremely low. And number two, we're probably going to realistically have to give away 200 or 300 of these gloves at a major discount in order to get ranked. So it's nice to have a little bit of an extra cushion after our aggressive ranking campaign to where we don't have to maybe reorder right away. So we'll get into that later, but just want to plant that seed in your head. So how many sizes do you need? Let's go with the small, medium, and large. Okay. My manager said it's okay to make these 3 sizes. And then this is the funny part, right? She's like, but the price will be higher, just letting you know, because obviously the price is always higher, guys, when you're going down from 5,000 to 600. So always cheaper the higher, the more you order. That's why I started with 5,000. It's a negotiating tactic. I never had any intention of actually ordering 5,000. So, and this is the end result that you can sometimes pull off by doing that tactic. The price for 1,000 is $3.72 a pair, and you need to pay $50 for logo. So we went down from 5,000 to 1,000 units. The price only went up by 15 cents per pair. That's insane, right? This is an unbelievable price for 1,000 units. And these are good quality gloves, guys, because I actually legit ordered this sample and it's at my house right now. It's actually a really good product. So, and Tara, here's the artwork. I got you the logo. I got you the customized card to go inside, thank you card. And there's one other thing that I want to ask Tara about. I want to ask her about a free bonus item. So if you recall that we're designing this glove in particularly to women. Why did I go with that? Because I uncovered using the Helium-10 magnet tool that the majority of search traffic and buying activity around this product was women and not men. So that got me thinking, right? If we're selling this for women, what would be a really, really cheap and cool free add-on? I was thinking a workout jewelry, a piece of workout jewelry, like a necklace, a bracelet, or earrings. So I just did a simple search in Alibaba, and I saw these little dumbbell necklaces. And I know these are popular because I go to the gym a lot myself, and I know I'm kind of hip to what these, workout girls are all into. So I know they like this stuff. And I'm trying to get some quotes for Tara for these items, because I want to add this as a free bonus, right? We have such margin on our product, such a low price for these gloves, that we have a little bit of wiggle room to offer a free bonus. You're not going to have that luxury on every product, right? So I just came up with a random brand name called Fit Glove. This is a logo I made by myself in Canva using an image tool called Canva for 100% free. I made it in all of 10 minutes. And she's just getting back to me with different designs and prices. This one's extremely expensive. I would never ever pay this much money for 1,000 necklaces. Remember, we need 1,000 necklaces because each necklace is going to go in our glove packaging. So I want to go with a cheaper necklace for, so here we go. This ended up being the winner right here. 38 cents a piece. I like this design. It was cool. It was sleek. I like the dark kind of graphite color because it'll suit everybody. And that's 38 cents, right? So let's do the math real quick. So for 1,000 units, right, we're at $3.72 a pair. And this includes packaging, logo, custom insert, thank you card. And now we're going to add 38 cents for a free bonus, plus 0.38. So we're at $4.10 all in right now. What is the one remaining cost that we're not sure of yet? So we can fully 1,000% dial in what our profit loss is going to be on this product. That would be the shipping. So we're at $4.10. Let's keep going. And let's just scroll down to where we get to the shipping. Here's the card that I designed in Canva for all of, for free, and it took me 10-15 minutes. I think it actually looks pretty good. And here's the back. I actually give them a little coupon code, 15% off. Again, I'll have another video on product inserts, on how to make them and strategies and whatnot in a different video. Hi, Tara. So here we go with the shipping, right? This is the one thing remaining that I need to find out. For 1,000 units, if we're doing Air Express, could you provide me with a quote estimate on that? And the address that I gave them right here, you see this address? This is the address of the FBA warehouse in Dallas, Texas. So I like to use that warehouse as a benchmark for my shipping quotes just because it's in the center of the country and it's, within reason, give or take a few dollars either way. It's going to give you a decent estimate. So FedEx shipping is $685, 4 to 9 days time. Great, thanks. So let's add that in. We know we're at 410. So what is 685 divided by 1,000? So that adds an extra 68 cents a unit. Okay? So we're at 4.1 plus 0.68. Total, all in, landed cost $4.78 per unit. Remember, that's a pair, so it's 2 units, I guess, but it's per unit, $4.78. That's the magical number that we wanted to discover. We got it. Now, I'm going to close out Skype, and in the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how we go back into that amazing FBA calculating software to discover exactly what our product's profit, ROI, profit margin will be. So you got to see that one. That's very important. It's the final step of the whole puzzle. See you there.